When a woman is interested in increasing her fertility, what are the best fertility oils and why?
There are 3 main oils that are great for fertility, but it depends on whether you're cooking with those oils or you're having it cold. So the 2 best oils to cook with are organic, cold-pressed, raw coconut oil. And in addition to that is the rice bran oil. The rice bran is not as good as the coconut though, but I do understand that a lot of people don't like the taste of coconut oil. So if you like to move on to the rice bran oil, unfortunately the brands that I've seen in the UK and Australia are not organic. However, rice is one of the most genetically modified crops, and this particular brand, beginning with A, is not a brand that uses genetically modified rice. They've reassured me that. I've emailed them directly. So that is safe to use. And the best thing about rice bran oil is that it's used in Japan as an anti-cancer treatment. Anything that helps to combat cancer helps to really, really boost fertility. The other oil that I recommend that you have cold, it can also be the coconut oil to add to your smoothies and things, but if you're looking to drizzle over vegetables, be it salads or steamed veggies, use olive oil. But again, it must be organic, it must be cold pressed, unrefined and unfiltered. And if it's not mentioned on the label that it's got all of these factors, then it's not the right oil for you. You must be very, very, very fussy with your fertility oils because it can really make a huge impact on your fertility.
Thanks, Fiona. That was very informative. What about vegetable oils such as canola? Is that okay to use?
Canola oil isn't a fertility oil. It's because it's genetically modified. And there are a lot of other vegetable oils on the market that I'll recommend you avoid as well. So please just stick to these 3. They're the best ones for fertility.
Excellent. You know, this was really interesting and I'd like to find out more information. How can I find out more?
I recommend that people get on a complimentary consultation with me. And the only way you can have it complimentary is when you sign up to my newsletter, which is awakeningfertility.com/newsletter, or you join my private fertility help group. And that's the name on Facebook. It's a private group, so your friends and family won't know you're on there. And I give daily support, daily personalized support.